Rub a banana peel on your arms and you will be surprised by the result. It is important that you know this trick. I will show you several of the benefits you get when you dare to rub a banana peel on your arms. Many do not know what this weird trick is for, but I assure you that as soon as you know it, you will start doing it, and you will thank me forever. And as is my custom, before I tell you what it is for rubbing banana on your arms, I will give you some other homemade tricks that you can do with banana peels, and that will be very useful. I would also like to know from which country you are watching me, so I can say hello at the end of the videos. Banana peel tricks. Number 1. Catch flies and mosquitoes. Banana peel is very effective in catching flies and mosquitoes due to its high sweetness. Place a tablespoon of honey on the peel and spread it evenly with a spoon. Then take it to the kitchen or any other place in your house where you know that flies and mosquitoes are around. In a few days, you will notice how they stick to the peel. Number 2. Fertilize plants. If you have plants at home, these can be exposed to insects that can end them little by little. To avoid this, just take a banana peel and rub it on the leaves of the plants. This will protect them and at the same time give more life to the leaves. You can also place banana peels on the ground and this will serve as fertilizer. Number 3. Luster leather shoes. If you have dirty shoes and you don't have lusters at home, don't worry, because banana peels are very good for this. Take the shoes and pass the peels throughout the dirty or opaque area. Then take a microfiber towel and pass it all over the shoe. They will be clean and very shiny. Before continuing, I invite you to make this video reach someone who could be of help. Number 4. Remove scratches from CD and DVD discs. If you have discs that are very scratched and already get stuck when you touch them, peels are good to avoid this. Just take a peel and rub it for 30 seconds all over the disc. Then add liquid alcohol and with the help of a towel, rub until it is new. You will notice that scratches can be reproduced. Now we come to the main trick of the video. Arms are exposed to constant mosquito bites. If you live in an area with many mosquitoes and you want to avoid bites, you can use banana peel. You can apply it to the arms, legs, or any part of the body. You will notice that after a few minutes, you will feel a very rich coolness throughout the area. If you like to go to the beach or sunbathe, another incredible use you can give banana peels is to use it as a sunscreen. It is also very effective for this. Which of these tricks did you find the most brilliant? If you know any other banana peel trick or application, let me know below. Today's greeting is for Walter Sanchez from Grenada and for Chanela Van from Curaçao. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it with your friends. I always read your suggestions. Until here today's video, I say goodbye wishing you the richest blessings.